Hi. So currently I have a Python script to make your life more easy. So currently I am renaming all these files. You see there are some common uh, okay, it's previewing the file, that's why it's popping up the music. So as you can see there are some common names out there, like here is blue version, 8-bit casual loafers, and this is common on everyone. So we need to remove them. So what I'm doing, so I'm selecting this, yeah, selecting, then cut, then I have to remove it. We don't want this, do we? Control Z. Another thing there is bulk rename utility. We can use this software. So we have to just, yeah, we have to just copy it. Then here's a remove section. Let me show you. If I copy this section, yep, and here's the remove. As you can see, this is removed, but for but this is pretty hassling. You see there's some gaps going on. We don't want. Okay, so what can we do? And also I want to add a prefix, wav prefix before this. There's extension, wav extension, but I want to declare it before. So I have prepared a script here. This is a Python script. So here you have to declare the directory. So the directory should be this one. Okay, it is also have better idea. Okay, so we have to replace the directory. I have replaced the directory. What we need to remove, these things we need to got removed. Okay, okay, low version, a casual love loss. Okay, and it will check if my file format ends with .w format or not. Then it will replace our space to a underscore. Then it will add a prefix and wav underscore each of these files. Okay, if I run it, okay, it runs. You see, every file is renamed in just one click. Bye.